I'm Carl from Echidna Contracting. We're based on the Central Coast, but we'll travel anywhere between Sydney and Newcastle or anywhere in the country, really. The specs on the Fecon were what I wanted. I did research and they seem to be the market leaders. We've been really happy so far. I find the fixed tooth is a lot more aggressive for heavier duty work rather than the swinging hammers and some of the competitors. It definitely has its advantages. Having the big open face on the side allows you to get right in close to other trees and be selective with what you're mulching. Mike from XCMG had already told me about the Fecon, so that was sort of where I first started looking, and I liked that it was all through the same dealership network. I was able to talk to Fecon XCMG and be confident that this machine was going to run this mulcher well, get the performance that I wanted. We started with the XCMG 55 and the price point was great. With the opportunity came up to do some mulching work at a property close by to here and bought the mulcher specifically for that job, which then led to more work doing vegetation management in the national parks, mulching fire trails, and mulching's been pretty consistent since buying it. Another friend in the industry has looked at getting one, and we're looking at getting another one for one of our other machines.